All right, after watching the video on division with remainders, that video came from Khan Academy. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the assignment that's in Jamboard. So again, the first thing you're going to do is click on Jamboard and make a copy. And before you do anything, you're going to share it with me. Start typing my name. And it's the one that actually has my picture on it. It won't show up because I'm actually in that Google account right now. And then you're going to share it with me. So looking at this, we are going to circle groups of 2. It says first make groups of 2 with these circles and then write the division sentence. Now, they're not equal groups, and so we're going to have a remainder because that's what the lesson was about. So I'm going to circle my groups of 2. And I have 1, 2, 3 groups. So I can just write on the side here, 3 groups, but I have 1 left over. So my remainder is 1. So going to the next one, it says first make groups of 3. So you're going to circle your groups of 3 and you're going to come up with your number of groups and then whatever the remainder is left. I'll go ahead and start it. And it looks like I have 1, 2 left over. So figure out how many groups and then how many are left over. Here, make groups of 4. How many groups did you make and what's the remainder? How many leftovers?